Good morning, students. Today, I will teach about climate and natural vegetation of India from Geography second lesson. First, the learning objectives. To describe the factors controlling the climate of India. Then, to understand the characteristics of different seasons in India. Then, to know about the rainfall distribution. Last, to study the different type of natural vegetation and wildlife in India. Okay, these are the learning objectives of this lesson. Then, the factors affecting the climate. Climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, distance from the sea, monsoons, wind, relief features and jet stream. First one, latitude. The latitudinally India lies between 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal halves. Okay, the next, altitude. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees C for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called a normal lapse rate. Okay. Then, distance from the sea. Distance from the sea does not cause only temperature and pressure variations but also affect the amount of rainfall. Okay. Then, monsoon wind. The most dominant factors which affect the climate of India is the monsoon winds. These are seasonal reversal winds and India remain in the influence of these winds for a considerable part of a year. Okay. Then relief. Relief of India is a great bearing and major elements of climate such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, direction of winds and the amount of rainfall. Okay. Next, jet streams. Jet streams are the fast moving winds flowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. Next, monsoon. The word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Originally, the word monsoon was used by the Arab navigators several centuries ago to describe a system of seasonal reversal of winds along the shore of the Indian Ocean, especially over the Arabian Sea. Then, during summer solstice, the sun's rays fall vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. Therefore, all the pressure and wind fields of the globe shift northwards. Then, during the winter season, the pressure and wind belts shift southward, thereby establishing the northeast monsoon over this region. Such systematic change in the direction of planetary winds is known as monsoon. Okay? Then, seasons. There are 4 distinct seasons in India. First one, winter or cold weather season, January, February. Second one, free monsoon or summer or hot weather season. March, May. Third one, southwest monsoon or rainy season. June to September. Last one, northeast monsoon season. October to December. Okay. Thank you, students. One more thank you.